Hey everyone, Storytime Station here. We're gonna try something fun today that's a little bit different. We have this cool Mickey Mouse Tsum Tsum carrier. We're gonna be talking about small, medium, and large using these Tsum Tsums. Should we see what's inside? Let's check it out. Wow, these are large Tsum Tsums. There's Perry the Platypus, the 101 Dalmatian, Sven from Frozen. And let's take this cool little tray out, see what's on the other side. Wow, awesome! There's a Pluto, one of the 7 dwarfs, Grumpy. There's Mickey Mouse, of course. And here's Minnie. Let's take out this tray and see what else is inside. Awesome! Medium Tsum Tsums. There's Buzz, Figaro. Wow, a medium Pluto, just like the large Pluto. Here's Chip. The White Rabbit. Here's Bambi. We have Winnie the Pooh here. Donald Duck. Eeyore, he's always blue. And there's Marie from the Aristocats. Let's check out what small Tsum Tsums we have. There's Tigger, another Marie, Chip, just like medium-sized Chip, Flounder from Little Mermaid, Stitch, and look, 2 Bing Bongs. Awesome! We have small, mediums, and large Tsum Tsums. How fun! Let's take a closer look at these Tsum Tsums. Remember, we're talking about large, medium, and small. This is a small Flounder. This is a medium Bambi. And this is a large Mickey. Let's try some that are the same. We have Chip, that's the same. Small Chip, medium Chip. Which one is bigger? You're right, the medium Chip. Let's try Winnie the Pooh and his friends. We have Pooh, Eeyore, and Tigger. Which one is the smallest? That's right, Tigger. Are these the same size or different? They're the same. They are both medium. Great job. Let's try some that are different. Here's Sven. Let's get Buzz Lightyear. And Bing Bong. Which one is a medium? Is it Bing Bong? No, he's the small one. What about Buzz Lightyear? Yes, he's the medium size. We have Bing Bong and Sven. Which one's the biggest? You're right, it's Sven. and Bing Bong is the smallest. Let's try one more. 2 Bing Bongs. Are those different sizes or the same? Let's look. They look the same to me, both size small. Remember, small, medium, and large. Let's try stacking them on top of each other to end. We've got Sven, Chip, and Marie. We have large, medium, and small on top. How fun! If you had fun today, subscribe to our channel. Also, like this video and leave a comment below. See you next time.